Can I? Shh, don't be so loud. Can I have the spoon? Give me the spoon. You little stinker, give me the spoon. Hey, Nicole. Anderson. You give me this. Can I can I have the spoon, please? Can I put it in my hand? Can you have this? Can I have the spoon? Can I? I'll wash it for you. We'll be all done. No more soup. We'll have dessert.
What's it called?
Apple crisp. Can I have this bowl? Can I have this spoon? Give me the spoon. Give me the spoon. Spoon? Give me the spoon. You little stinker. Hey. Can I have the spoon? All right, you win. You can have it. I'll just ask nicely for you to put it in my hand, please. Thank you. Oh, thank you. That's all it takes?